Hi guys, in this video we will see how to control who can send you a friend request on your Facebook app. Go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner and in Windows PC from the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon. Thereafter tap on three horizontal line against top left corner. Tap on it. Here scroll down and choose privacy and settings and privacy. Tap on it. Thereafter here choose settings again. Tap on settings and here scroll down and go to the audience and visibility section and here tap on how people find and contact you. Tap on it. Here you will find two options: who can send you friend requests, who can see your friend list. Tap on who can send you friend requests and here you will find two options: everyone and friends of friends. Choose as per your requirement. If you choose friends of friends, you have limited friend request you will receive, and if you want to publicly available you, then choose everyone. Otherwise choose friends of friends and tap on save. Only friends of friends can send you a friend request on your Facebook account. Who can see your friend list? Also tap here, and here also a option available: public friends, friend accepts specific friends, only me. If you want to control your who can see your friend list, tap on only me. Otherwise choose public. That's all.